Hey guys, welcome to another session of Love Thy RCs. Here I am. We are going to discuss one passage from CAT 2019. Back then they used to give you 5 questions per passage, 5, 10, 5 and 5, and then I think 3 and 3 ऐसा कुछ होता था उनका डिवीजन. So ये बहुत ही प्यारा पैसेज है. This is on something called choice fatigue. And ever since I came across this passage in CAT 2019, I have been mentioning choice fatigue, choice exhaustion, like almost everywhere. I mean, that point keeps coming up in my conversations. I love that term, choice fatigue. That is something that I experience very often. I enter a shop, I go to kind of buy just a simple shampoo, and the shelves are lined with tons and tons of different brands. Eventually I get exhausted. I'm like, bhai rehne de. I'll go and take some review. I'll go and check some Instagram influencers. Uske baad hi I will buy this. This is what is happening with all of us. We experience that choice fatigue. So if we think that so many choices give us liberty, give us freedom, it's actually not the truth. We are facing some, it's having a negative effect on our psychology. So we have this contemporary internet shopping. What does it say? Conjures a perfect storm of choice anxiety. Choice anxiety, choice fatigue, जो भी ये बोलना चाह रहा है यहाँ पर. So we have कैसा passage ये? 3, 4, 3, 4 paragraphs. एक second guys, एक minute रुक जाओ. I'm looking for my water bottle. I just spotted it. Let me get it. सही है. So we were discussing, ठीक है, startups. Okay, so this passage looks pretty cool to me. 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs, 4 ही paragraphs, and that's very good. Questions कैसे हैं ये देख लेते हैं. Which of the following hypothetical statements would add the least depth to the author's prediction of the fate? Okay, now the author's claim is given here in the question, right? And we have to add the least depth. That means there will be 4 options. There are 4 options. One adds depth, adds depth, adds depth. Now the 4th one that we are looking for, that also may be adding depth, but it adds the least depth. Okay, so add depth हो सकता है. It may even be completely neutral. Okay, or it may kind of slightly weaken. ये भी हो सकता है, right? So we are looking for this. Cool, अच्छा question है. Claim दिया हुआ है question stem में, so that's fine. Which one of the following best sums up the overall purpose of the examples? ये theory example question कहते हैं इसको. You go to the examples in the passage. Casper, Glossier. Casper बोले तो मुझे कैसा वो mosquito repellent type का नाम लग रहा है. Why has he given these examples? So you need to look for the context, the theory in the preceding lines or in the first line of the para. A new food brand plans to launch. Okay, so this is application question. But for this you need to go back and understand which of the following is most likely to be supported by the author. तो by author का price से related कोई तो portion होगा ना जहाँ he must be discussing the price. You have to go and look there and then come back and pick your answer. Then all the following, if true, would weaken the author's claims except. So this is critical reasoning weakening. If true, would weaken except. So weaken, weaken, weaken. The one that is left can be neutral or it can strengthen. You got the point, guys. That is exactly what we are going to do. So दो critical reasoning के questions हैं. Okay, कोई नहीं. Oh, by the way, हमारे जो mocks आजकल चल रहे हैं ना, sub mocks में and sub sectionals में you have got these critical reasoning questions, and based on the same pattern आपके क्वेश्चन स्टेम में ही क्लेम दिया हुआ है, यू आर सपोज टू स्ट्रेंथन और वीकन इट, एंड वी आर गिविंग यू कंसिस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस फॉर दीज क्वेश्चंस इन ऑल आवर सेक्शनल्स। क्योंकि मैं वीडियो सोल्यूशन कर रही हूँ, सो मुझे मालूम है कि हाँ सब में दिखता है। सो इट्स गुड, प्रैक्टिस अच्छी हो रही है। वी नीड टू गो बैक एंड सी व्हाट इट सेज। बड़ा पैराग्राफ है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड द होल पैरा, बीच में स्किमिंग करेंगे थोड़ी सी। आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस केयरफुली, रीड दिस केयरफुली। ओके, देखो भी कैसे करते हैं। कंटेम्प्रेरी इंटरनेट शॉपिंग कॉन्जर्स अ परफेक्ट स्टॉर्म ऑफ चॉइस एंजाइटी। ओके, so choice anxiety, choice की पीड़ा, choice की चिंता, ऐसे। Research has consistently held that people who are presented with a few options make better, easier decisions than those. Researchers का ये कहना है। Helping consumers figure out what to buy amid an endless storm of choices, sea of choices has become a cottage industry. हाँ, so helping consumers figure out, तो कहाँ कौन आता है इसमें? Influencers आते हैं। They help us figure out हमें क्या लेना है। Many brands and retailers now wield marketing buzzwords, curation, blah blah, ये वो, shoppers, okay, gender, Americans का example दे दिया कुछ यहाँ पर, a ghost, now okay, retail machine, influencer, influencer भी mention कर दिया, that's it. लिटरली ऐसे ही पढ़ूंगी मैं। क्यों? क्योंकि ये सारा जो है whatever he is given here in these lines, that is supporting his claim here that people are facing choice fatigue, choice anxiety. Okay, so people who have fewer options make better decisions. That is the viewpoint of our author. Okay, अब यहाँ पे लास्ट में कह रहा है, indeed choice fatigue is one reason why so many people gravitate toward lifestyle influencers on Instagram. हुआ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, ये बोला है यहाँ पे, उतना ज्यादा समझने की जरूरत नहीं है। Who present an aspirational world view and then recommend the products and services that help achieve it. हो गया, खत्म। For a relatively new class of consumer product startups, there's another method entirely. Okay, another method, तो यहाँ method का बोला है उसने, हाँ okay, वही influencers वाला, right? So you have to connect between the paragraphs. That is what I call passage mapping. So consumer product startups, there's another method. So what method is it? Instead of making sense of a sea of this, these companies claim to disrupt stuff as Americans know it. Oh, so they are not giving you a sea of choices. Casper mattresses, Glossier makeup, many others, ये Amway होना चाहिए, जो भी था. Many others have sprouted up to offer consumers freedom from choice. Oh, what do they do? There's a colon here. I'm going to read this. ये आपको अपना ना discretion exercise करना है कि कौन सा पढ़ना है, कौन सा नहीं पढ़ना, important क्या है ये. So यहाँ there's a colon. What do these companies do? How are they different? How are they claiming to be different? The companies have a few aesthetically pleasing and supposedly highly functional options. Yeah, they are selling nice things, but they are selling a confidence. Opt out of the stuff rat race. So this is something different that these companies are doing. They are giving consumers just a few choices and asking them to choose. Maybe consumers get attracted to these companies thinking these are high level, these are exclusive, कुछ भी ऐसा, but fewer choices. $1,000 mattresses and 300 might solve choice anxiety for a certain, but the companies that sell them along okay something are still just working with a consumer market broken. Acha. So overall systemic problem है. In this para they are talking about some suitcases, something कुछ number दिया है इसने. Presents might be more valuable. Okay. So here the author comes up with some kind of suggestion. So I'm not reading the whole para, but then I see that there is some problem that he's discussing. Companies that sell them, along with those that attempt to massage the larger stuff, क्या है? Broken in systemic ways. So overall problem, general problem, company का system ये सब बिगड़ा हुआ है, and systemic means general, ठीक है? The presence of so much stuff in America might be more valuable if it were more evenly distributed, but stuff's creators focus the energy, plenty. The favorite thing जो हर RC में होता है, the gap between the rich and the poor. So these companies focus their energy on those who already have plenty. Expanded for people disposable income, the opportunity to buy even basic things such as fresh food or quality diapers has contracted. अच्छा, अमेरिका का अमेरिका हर जगह बात कर रहा है अमेरिका, so probably अमेरिकन मार्केट की बात कर रहा है, अमेरिकन मिडिल क्लास या जो भी है. And he says more valuable if it were more evenly distributed. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, इनइक्विटेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज होता है, ऑफ बेनिफिट्स होता है, सब कुछ है। यहाँ पर भी चॉइसेस, दे आर नॉट इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, सो दीज चॉइसेस आर देयर मेनली फॉर द अपर क्लास, बट फॉर द लोअर क्लास जिनका ये है ना, people with disposable income, the opportunity to buy even the basic things has contracted बोल रहा है। यहाँ पे पैसे की बात कर रहा है, अमेरिकन्स का one class another class ऐसा। For startups that promise accessible simplicity, their very structure might still eventually push them. Now accessible simplicity जैसे कैस्पर ग्लॉसियर का बोला इसने, ऐसा स्टार्टअप्स स्ट्रक्चर गड़बड़ है, still might eventually push them toward overwhelming variety. How? So this is a paradox. You're going ahead with your startup and you're saying कि we aim at giving you simplicity of choice. और ये कह रहा है कि eventually they push the customer towards overwhelming variety, या they push themselves towards producing overwhelming variety. कैसे? Most of these companies are based on ये venture capital. So easy to relate with in today's era. Funding, venture capital. The investors tend to expect steep growth rate. अब आप प्रोड्यूस नहीं करोगे, प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है, how will you show the growth rate? Right? That can't be achieved by selling one great mattress. आप एक दो products in your product line, you've got only one or two products. You can't expect to satisfy the venture capitalists, the investors with that. What happens eventually? You have to bring in other products to the line. हुआ वही, आपने स्टार्ट किया to keep it simple. Eventually you're pushing your customers again towards choice fatigue. So that there is a paradox here. While reading, you should be able to identify such things. How do you improve this? With the help of more reading. Okay, so Casper has expanded. Okay, ये दोनों फिर से आ गए, दोनों Casper Glossier, उन्हीं का बोला है कॉस्मेटिक्स और ज्यादा बढ़ा दिए उन्होंने बेडरूम फर्नीचर और बढ़ा दिया, ये खत्म, बर्बाद हो गया फिर से। फिनिश्ड, राइट, नाइस। ओके, सो बहुत ही स्वीट एंड सिंपल सा पैसेज है। हीरो इज चॉइस फटीग एंड देन ही टॉक्स अबाउट मॉडर्न कंपनीज, हाउ अभी जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया। देन देयर इज दैट रिच एंड पुअर वाला थिंग, वो भी है, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का भी डिस्कशन है, बहुत सारी चीजें आ गई इसमें। ओके, लेट्स गो ओवर टू द क्वेश्चंस नाउ। सो लीस्ट डेप्थ, ये सब पे बाद में आएंगे, पहले ये करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 2, which one of the following best sums up the overall purpose of the examples Casper and Glossier? When he introduces Casper and Glossier, that is here. There's another method. Instead of making sense of a sea of existing stuff, these companies claim to do this. They are selling nice things, but maybe more importantly, confidence, okay, opt out of the rat race. Casper, Glossier यहाँ भी mentioned है. Expanded into bedroom furniture, bed linens. Years of marketing has no makeup that requires little skill to apply. Recently launched a full line, glittering color cosmetics. So there may be no way to opt out by buying into the right thing. तो इन लोगों ने भी eventually वही किया है. So why is he showing their examples? They are increasing the purchasing power of poor Americans. ये तो भाई author has gone against it and he has said that the gap is increasing. Poor Americans का कोई consider नहीं कर रहा है. They are exceptions to a dominant trend in consumer markets. बिल्कुल ये रखते हैं, right? They are facilitating a uniform distribution of commodities. ये तो again the author has said that no, it's not happening. Right? So 1 and 3 are like similar. They might transform into what they were exceptions to. I'm left with 2 and 4. Now 2 is just half the story. You see? Students can easily fall for this trap. They are exceptions. बोला है वो तब होगा when you don't read the fourth para. If Casper Glossier have been mentioned in 2 zones, you have to check both the zones and see क्या कहना चाह रहा है. Eventually he says they both are also joining the rat race. They tried to do something different, but the systemic problem is there. The venture capitalist pressure is there, so they may again expand their product line. जो करना चाह रहे थे पहले, paradoxically they are going back into that, right? So यहाँ पे definitely between this and this, what is the difference? ये देख लो पहले. They are exceptions to a dominant trend. Para second या third para. They might transform into what they were exceptions to. The last bit says. Eventually they also go back into the rat race because of the problem. So between this and this, obviously this goes more with the tone of the passage. The tone of the passage is not praise for Casper and Glossier. So this is the answer. Question 3. A new food brand plans to launch a series of products in the American market. Product plans is most likely supported. Now the author has spoken about the rich and poor. If you go and start looking for dollars and money and all in the passage, nowhere is it mentioned. The author wants fewer products. The author says inequitable distribution. Inequitable choices हैं. Distribution खराब है. जब आप choices लेके आ रहे हो, why aren't you bringing these choices for the lower class people, the lower tier? Okay, so उसको ये भी चाहिए. So he would consider all these things. A range of 10 products priced, a 25 products 10. Obviously this and this are eliminated. इतना ऑर्गेनाइज रीडिंग करने के बाद अगर आप ये 25 प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं एलिमिनेट कर पा रहे हो, दैट मीन्स योर ओवरऑल रीडिंग एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज वेरी वीक. वर्क ऑन दैट. ठीक है. सो 25 प्रोडक्ट्स बिकॉज द ऑथर वुड वांट फ्यूअर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद दिस एंड दिस. एक अब दोनों के बीच डिफरेंस क्या है? हमेशा मैं यही सिखाती हूँ. लास्ट के दो ऑप्शंस बचे, लुक फॉर द डिफरेंस. $5 and $10, 10 and 25. What would the author prefer? अगर आपको वो रिच एंड पुअर वाला पॉइंट नहीं भी याद है तो भी आपके दिमाग में ये आना चाहिए. व्हाई इज दिस डिफरेंस गिवन हियर? 5 और 10 और 10 और 25. द डिफरेंस इज एक हाई है एक लो है. सो यू कैन गो बैक एंड ट्राई टू प्रूव दिस. जब आप प्रूव करने की कोशिश करोगे तो यू विल कम अक्रॉस दिस पॉइंट. रिच एंड पुअर ये वाला दैट शुड क्लिक. Rich and poor, he's not happy about the fact that people, options have not expanded for people with disposable income, right? So basic things में भी उनके लिए lower, वो है क्या कहते हैं, fewer choices है. He would want the choices to increase for people with this kind of money, this kind of salary, right? Disposable income. So ये, not this kind of disposable income, like with in the lower group, in the lower tier of people. तो इसमें they'll be able to afford this. ये. So this should be your answer between this and this. I hope you are able to understand the point that I'm trying to drive home कि जब दो बचते हैं तो डिफरेंस भी तो ढूंढो ना उनका कि क्या कहना चाह रहा है, डिफरेंस क्या है. I'm left with these two, कौन सा इसमें से सही हो सकता है. Question 4. We can, okay आते हैं इस पे, ठहर जो पहले ये कर लेते हैं. Question 5. So all of the following can be inferred about consumer behavior except inference is true. True, 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 one false. Correct? Now, too many options have made it difficult for consumers to trust products. Choice fatigue, choice anxiety, going with the main idea, ये तो true लग रहा है मुझे. Consumers are susceptible to marketing images that they see on social media. Social media, influencers, how we get influenced, ये भी उसके हिसाब से ठीक लग रहा है मुझे. I'm looking for one false. So please remember, दिखाने को मैं आपको एक एक चीज को लेके वेरीफाई करूं करके दिखा सकती हूं. ठीक है. That is not what I'm trying to show you in this series. I'm trying to show you how to reduce your reading time, how to increase your speed while solving the questions. तो ये चार जब options हैं, true false में I never play POE, that is process of elimination. I just look at the options जो सबसे attractive होता है, जिसमें word, name, place, animal, thing, era या date होता है. I pick that and I quickly verify. अभी मैं red flags लगा रही हूँ. ठीक है. Sorry, red flag तो एक ही में चाहिए, तो मैं common sense से true वाले पकड़ रही हूँ. Okay, so that it becomes easier for me to verify one option. मैं चारों को verify करूंगी. 30 seconds हर एक में लगेगा. आप सोच रहे हो 20 seconds लगेगा. I'm going to lose time. So, too many options have made it difficult for customers. Too many options, choice fatigue, common sense. Consumers are susceptible to marketing images that they see. Influencers का जिक्र किया उतना याद है. Okay, so I'm just keeping it. Having too many product options can be overwhelming for consumers. By this तो is the main idea. Right? यहाँ trust आया है. Prove अगर करना होगा तो I'll prove this. ये तो main idea itself है. ये तो definitely eliminated. Right? Consumers tend to prefer products by startups over those by established companies. Now, ये दिख रहा है over those. This can be a faulty comparison. Faulty comparison is a process of elimination का technique. ये बहुत commonly डाला जाता है as traps. I see that there is this here. There's a chance of this being false. मैं क्या करूँगी? I'll pick this. I'll try to verify this instead of chasing the others. Consumers tend to prefer products by startups than those by established companies. भाई किधर इधर बोला है कि हाँ consumers prefer startups. यहाँ तो इसने बोला है लास्ट इसमें कि स्टार्टअप्स दैट प्रॉमिस सिंप्लिसिटी, कंज्यूमर्स प्रेफर क्या कर रहे हैं ये तो नहीं दिया है, राइट? मोस्ट ऑफ दीज कंपनीज आर बेस्ड ऑन दिस, ओके ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट द मार्केट इज गिविंग, बट दिस इज द पैराग्राफ इज नॉट सेइंग कंज्यूमर्स का प्रेफरेंस क्या है, राइट? सो here consumers tend to prefer products by this is definitely a case of faulty comparison, so this is your answer. Okay, this is the false one, बाकी तीन आपके true हैं. We didn't do this. Okay, all of the following if true would weaken the author's claims except, इससे ज्यादा आसान आपका first वाला होगा because the claim is given in the question. This is another point that I am trying to teach you कि भाई question का selection कैसे होना चाहिए. हो सकता है मैं ये दोनों critical reasoning छोड़ दूं, तीन कर लिए ना मैंने, I'm confident about my answers, या I'll check once again and verify. करना भी अगर होगा I'll do this and I can leave that other one. So it's not always necessary to chase all the questions. चलिए ये देख लीजिए आप. So prediction of the fate of startups. Okay. So ये क्या कह रहा है? Would add the least depth. Author's prediction of the fate of startups. पहले तो we need to understand the author's prediction of the fate. क्या कहना चाह रहा है वो? Prediction जो होगा fate of startups वो तो इधर ही होगा ना, last में. Because we know how the paragraphs are distributed. So we come here. Most of these companies are based on this, investors of this. Caspa has expanded into this. There may be no way to opt out of stuff by buying into the right thing. So हो सकता है कि they may not be able to do this ये. Still might eventually push them toward overwhelming variety. समझ में आ गई ये बात हमें. Now, हमें इसमें क्या करना है? 3 are adding depth. Correct? So, an exponential surge in their sales enables startups to meet their desired profit goals without expanding their product catalog. Okay? With the motive of promoting certain rival companies, the government decides to double the tax rates for these startups. उसका कहना क्या है कि because of the market pressure, the startups will eventually expand again. यही बोला है ना उसने. They will again go towards an increased product line that will again offer overwhelming variety to the consumers. So the claim of these startups, simplicity जो offer कर रहे थे, that so जो simplicity offer कर रहे थे, that may not be there. Correct? तो ये हम यहाँ पे between, अब यहाँ पे अच्छा, now we have to kind of add depth. With the motive of promoting certain rival companies, the government decides to double the tax rates for these startups. तो tax rates double हो गया, pressure आ गया उनके ऊपर पैसे का, वो क्या करेंगे? They have to expand the product line because इनका जो bottom line है, that is profits, वो उनका खाएगा मार. So इसमें तो definitely this is adding depth कि हाँ होगा ऐसा. With Caspa and Glossier venturing into new product ranges, their regular customers start losing trust in the companies and their products. ये तो add depth कर रहा है कि हाँ यही है उनका fate. बोला है उसने there may be no opting out. Startups with few product options are no exception to the American consumer market that is deeply divided along class lines. ये तो बोल ही रखा है उसने कि with few product options are no exception. ये भी वही करते हैं जो सब कर रहे हैं. They are part of the rat race to the American consumer market, और American consumer market is this. So this is adding depth, right? Let's check one. थोड़ा सा confusing लगा था. An exponential surge in their sales enables startups to meet their desired profit goals without expanding this. Do you see this? They meet the profit goals without expanding this. तो ये तो उसके against चला जा रहा है ना. उसने author ने बोला eventually इन्होंने भी वही करना जो बाकी सब कर रहे हैं. इन्होंने start किया एक goal लेके, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Eventually they are going to come up with more products. ये कह रहा है कि नहीं, even without expanding this they are able to meet the profit goals. So yes, they are able to offer that simplicity जो इन्होंने promise किया. So this one should be your answer. Hope it's clear. लास्ट ये हमारा बच गया, राइट? इसको हम कंप्लीट करते हैं. ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इफ ट्रू वुड वीकन द ऑथर्स क्लेम्स एक्सेप्ट. हमें इसमें 3 वीकेंड देखना है, एक न्यूट्रल या स्ट्रेंथन हो सकता है. सो ऑथर्स क्लेम्स, अब इसमें ना आपको दिख रहा है रैंडम भी हो सकते हैं, अलग अलग जगह से. द क्लेम्स कैन बी देयर फ्रॉम लाइक डिफरेंट जोन्स, डिफरेंट पैराग्राफ्स. सो बेसिकली एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. Product options increased market competition, bringing down the prices of commodities, which in turn increased purchasing power of the poor. ये दिख रहा है, see the weaken, author has said the poor are ignored, they are neglected, this is weakening it. Okay, so ये तो ठीक है, इसको हमने weaken लिख दिया यहाँ. The annual sales growth of companies with fewer product options were higher than that of companies which curated their products for target consumers. काफी लंबा बोल गया, confusing है, रहने दो. The annual sale of companies that hired lifestyle influencers on Instagram were 40% less than those that did not. तो ये तो author के point के against जा रहा है. Basically we are playing true false in this. क्यों? क्योंकि author said influencers को लेकर के they try to increase their sales. तो यहाँ बोला annual sale that hired influencers were 40% less. तो भाई author ने तो कुछ और बोला है, right? So this weakens it. The empowerment felt by purchasers in buying a commodity were directly proportional to the number of options they could choose from. So ये कह रहा है कि were directly proportional to the number of options they could choose from. Means मुझे अगर 10 options दिए गए मेरा power बढ़ गया, I felt more empowered. मुझे 20 दिए गए, I felt more empowered. So this तो is going against his claim because the author says as the number increases, the number of choices increases, we feel more fatigue, we feel more anxiety. That's the main idea. So this is definitely weakening it. So we are left with this one. पढ़ के देखते हैं क्या कह रहा है. The annual sales growth of companies with fewer products were higher than that of companies which curated their products for target consumers. So this is actually doing nothing. Author के जो भी claims हैं, we are looking for something that is either neutral or strengthening. तो अब ये कह रहा है annual sales growth of companies with fewer product options, sales growth were higher than that of companies which curated. No, this is not weakening, not strengthening, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, right? तो यहाँ हमसे पूछा है, यहाँ if true would weaken, all would weaken, तीन तो हमें मिल गया जो author के against जा रहा है. So simple language में we did true and false, random true false. Except मांगा है, I told you one will be left, that may be neutral. So ये मुझे इससे कोई connection नहीं दिख रहा है कि author के claim को कुछ वो करना. So this is your answer, 4 का B. Okay, done. I think we are done with all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last piece of advice here. If I got this passage in the test, I would quickly do 3 and move out. मतलब 3 questions. क्योंकि 5 पूरे करना, then you kind of get confused here and there. और मुझे पता कैसे चलता, I don't like this question if I kind of, after 30 seconds, if I'm not able to eliminate properly, I realize कि भैया dump करने का time आ गया है. Okay, done. चलो, thank you guys. I'm going to see you again.